Hello, my name is Elizabeth Tuckey. I'm a veterinary surgeon and I'm the programme leader for the foundation degree in British Animal Management and Wildlife Rehabilitation here at Kendal College. The course encompasses a wide variety of subjects. So at its heart is wildlife assessment and management and rehabilitation, but it also will cover characteristics of species, basic study skills, research methodology, animal behaviour, ecology, wildlife and people interactions, and you'll have the opportunity to carry out some wildlife survey work. At the end of the course, you will have a foundation degree in British Animal Management and Wildlife Rehabilitation, and that is the equivalent of the first 2 years of study of an undergraduate programme. You then do have the option to carry on to a bachelor's by studying the level 6 at the University of Cumbria. So the course really is suitable for a wide variety of student or potential student coming in. Obviously, we have set it up as a direct progression through from a BTEC qualification, but we have many students who come with a wide variety of backgrounds, some who just want to learn about the subject, some who already have experience, and some who are really wanting careers and making a kind of career change as well. So talk to us. If you're unsure about doing whether you should apply, always talk to us. We do have formal entry requirements, but for those students who potentially are coming from a non-academic background but have experience within the sector, we can always talk to you as to whether we feel that this level of study would be appropriate for you and that you would feel confident and enjoy the course. So during your study programme, you will be receiving taught lectures in a variety of different theoretical subjects, and you'll also have practical sessions each week in our Animal Rescue Centre. And that will involve caring for any of the wildlife cases that come in, feeding them, cleaning them out, handling them, and being involved in the investigation with our veterinary team when we're actually carrying out x-rays and we're actually looking into what the problems actually are. So you get real good hands-on experience with wildlife care. We have an on-site animal rescue centre with a dedicated veterinary treatment room. So we have an x-ray machine, we have anaesthetic facilities, and obviously as a veterinary surgeon I'm able to prescribe and treat the animal cases that come into our centre. And again, that gives you a very, very real experience. We have a number of different types of animal accommodation, so we can really include anything from hedgehogs to seals to otters to a wide variety of different types of birds. And again, that gives great variety for you as a student in that you will get the chance to see whatever comes in. And some animals we can keep on site for longer periods of time. We can take full rehabilitation. Some we do have to work with other organisations, so they may well just spend a short period of time with us. But we have the setup to be able to process most of these casualties that come through, and you as a student will be involved in that. So when you come to Kendal College, you will be allocated a personal tutor. It's usually somebody who's actually teaching on your course. And we get the chance to actually meet together on a regular basis, just to have a chat about how you're doing, if there's anything that we can support you with, talking about mental well-being, talking about financial support, and sometimes really just just being somebody to actually approach with any queries that you might have. But it's all part of your journey here at Kendal College. You'll get fantastic practical opportunities, you'll get great academic support, and you'll get great personal support as well. So we have a variety of assessment methods on the course. Could be anything from written assignments to presentations to exam-based modules to survey work, and particularly for the practical-based subjects, we do a lot of portfolio construction. So that's actually looking at case studies and seeing how those case studies are able to evidence learning outcomes for the particular modules. So you'll get a whole variety of different forms of assessment. There'll be something for everybody, and whilst not every form of assessment is going to suit you individually, across the board you should get something that you're really going to enjoy. So on completion of our foundation degree, you have a number of options. From a career point of view, you might want to go into wildlife rehabilitation. You might also want to explore careers in conservation and also careers in ecology. And if you do decide to go on to level 6 with the University of Cumbria, you will have a bachelor's degree. You could then go on to higher studies at a master's or even PhD. So the advice I would give if you want to work with wildlife is go for it. Wildlife needs you. We need all the champions to actually support our precious wildlife in this country. So one of the joys of working with wildlife, and particularly working with wildlife as part of a rehabilitation centre, is you never know what's coming in. It could be the challenge of a bird with a broken wing, it could be a stranding, it could be an orphaned animal. We never know what's coming in. It's real life action rescue. We love it, and you're working alongside us, so please come and join us. Really enjoy working with wildlife, and we hope you will too.